Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Delhi in India. And what we're going to do today, we found this Thai temple that's right here in the middle of South Delhi. And we're going to check it out. We're going to see what it is. Today is Songkron, and supposedly the ambassador and stuff like that from Thailand to India will be here also. This is the most important Buddhist temple for the Thais here in Delhi, I think in all of India. So anyway, we're going to walk around here and let's take a look at this, what the celebrations are today. You never know what we'll see. Should be okay no matter what. And let's enjoy. Here is the temple, the Bhogal Buddha Vihar. And it has like a meditation hall and stuff like that. So they're setting up here, and they're going to be giving out like little food and stuff like that for the locals. And then maybe the ambassador will show up. They're supposed to be here at 9. It's almost 10. It's not here yet. So here's the temple abbot, the head abbot. And what they're doing is they're giving out some of these little beans. So this is the beans. This is like the favorite food of India. I was told yesterday that this is like the national food that they all like to eat. Some of those little beans. And then they're giving out some of the drinks and stuff here. The drink is like the Namdang soda from Thailand, but they mix in the fresh milk to it. And it's quite tasty. We got some here. So it looks like some of the dignitaries from the embassy are showing up. Everybody's here for their Songkron, but check out this temple. It's quite cool. And then these are all like the local Thais that live here in Delhi. Ladies are over here making some pomegranate stuff and cutting up the oranges and bananas. And then they have the little flowers on the water. I'm not sure about the hats. Those are maybe from Isan. Looks like they're going to do like a little raffle game. So they have some prizes and stuff with some little numbers. You can see they got some more of those beans they're hauling out. Big, huge pots. Okay, so let's go into the temple here and we'll see what it is. Now what's funny is right now in Bangkok, hello, since it's Songkron, everybody will be doing the water, but this will be more of a traditional way of doing Songkron. So they have all the food here. They have the Buddha, and then all the monks are here. So the head monk here, he's been here at this temple for 14 years. And the one right there, he's been here for 10. So they come in from Thailand, they have their visas and they can stay here. Then they have to leave the country and come back and always do their visas to stay. So we're going to sit here and watch this ceremony. Okay, so what will happen here is the men will get the food and they'll come over and they'll serve the food to the monks. Then after that they'll do the water, they'll pour the water on the monks and stuff. And these people here are giving the donations to the temple. Now this is a Hindu country, but the Hindus will still come and donate to the temple. So they have the little tree here that the Thais will put the money on, and the locals, so they're putting the rupees on. Buns want to donate, so we're donating some Thai money and some rupees. There's all the food that they're going to be serving. So the monks are getting their alms bowls. Now's the time when the people will feed them. Okay, so she's the ambassador from Thailand to India. So the monks, what they're doing is they got their food in the alms bowl. This is like the old way that they used to do it, or like the forest monks that are traveling, they'll eat out of the alms bowl. So after we'll eat that, then we'll do the ceremony for the ancestors. So while they're doing the eating, let's take a look at the outside of the temple. So the chetty, they restored it a few years back. This is the monk's garden up here, some of the lemongrass and stuff like that. This guy works here at the temple, so he's going to show us a little bit. So this is where the monks live here at the temple. So they have their like Buddhist script over here, and they sleep on the floor. And you see they got a little tent here for the mosquitoes. And we'll go up to the top floor here and look in here. Yeah, the chetty is quite nice with those white tiles. So this is where the monks come to chant. And that goes up at the top of that little chetty. Oh, that's quite cool. They have the Buddha here. And from up here, we can see the Hindu temple right next to it. I went to that yesterday. It was quite cool to see. And on the other side, this is a Catholic school. So we got the boys out here playing soccer. And then there's a little church right on the other side over there. And this is looking back out towards the town. You can hear all the horns honking. Ah, very cool. They're getting ready to do a little bit of water out here. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, so we'll go put this water on the big tree here. Okay, so Bun's gonna stick the water on the big tree. So they say a little prayer and then they put the water on it. Now everybody's getting something to eat after doing the little water. Okay, so now that the lunch is over, so the traditional way they put the water on the monks, and they'll also do it on like grandparents and parents and stuff like that. And this is the ambassador here. She's been the ambassador for 3 years, she said. So they'll dump the water on the Buddha. It has the little flower petals. And then they'll go down the row and do that on all of the monks. They got the water, the white powder and the water for the squirt guns. The kids have been doing that out here also. It's fun for them. You can see they're throwing the water and stuff. Good for the kids, they like that. This is the lucky numbers here. Yeah, so the kids are all playing with the water. And what they're doing, they got some balloons over here that have the lucky numbers. So they can pop the balloon, get a lucky number, and then that's what the little gifts are over here. So we're done in there and back out into the chaotic streets here. So they're still giving out the drinks. Guys, that's going to finish up our video over here at Songkron at this temple. This is Bhogal Buddha Vihar Temple. This is kind of cool. It's good for the local Thai community to come over here. They're still doing the playing with the water and all that, but it's a traditional way for them to do the Thai New Year for Songkron. So anyway, it wasn't like super exciting as far as things go. It was just a simple, just a more relaxed feel. But like what one of the guys said there at the temple is that today they have a big family because it's all the Thais from the area that went there. And I talked to a lot of people and it was really interesting. A lot of them are like here working or, you know, they're married to a Thai person or whatever, and they're, you know, everybody lives here around this temple in this area in Delhi. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, stick around. If you've been here, if you have any questions, let me know in a comment down below. And until next time, from over here in Delhi, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.